Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my videos. Thank you. We're looking to Neo. Before we look to Neo, we're looking to Bitcoin price. You can see we are sitting on the corner here, at the corner, and for me it's relatively difficult to predict because if we go to the right side, we're going to the top side, so 41,000. If we go to the left side, we're going to the direction to 20,000. So personally, I think we will go to 20,000 because the reason is the formation here is not so positive. Yeah, it's a very bearish formation, so I think we could go here to levels of 20,000, but 30-40% we could go to 41,000. The benefit is we could test here one time, two time, three time, and go to the downside. And if we look to Neo, then you can see that our base is in this levels, yeah, $14. Yeah, that means we have here good resistance in these levels. So you can see the resistance is hold. The price, the resistance was here one time, two time, three time, and at this time the resistance is, or the support is hold. Yeah, and you can see we going here to the top side, but I think we could test here the $14 level again. The reason is we are pumping, or in the past we pump from this level here, um, 14th of September, or let's say November. We prepare the pumping to the top side in this area, so I think we could go back in this $14 levels back. So I think, and even if you look to this formation, then you can recognize that we are still in the negative channel, yeah, so that we not yet pump to the top side. So if you look to Neo, then you can recognize we still here. So we need a really big pump to the top side, to 52,000 and $52. Then we could say, okay, the price is pumped to the top side and we could go to the downside. So this is not yet happened. And if you look here at the Bitcoin price is also not so positive. I expect that we will see here pump. Yeah, I mean pump. Let's like this. That we could go here to the top side, but then I see here a negative trend to the downside, because if you look here to the formation here, then you can see we have here left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and that means we could go really to this. I would say we will see something like that here to 36,900, and then the pump is going to 37,000, something like that. Yeah, or we could go 37,500. And if this is happening, and if we get this at Neo, then we could say, okay, we will stay here at Neo here at 25 dollar. If this not hold, then we're going back to 11 or 12 or something like that. So all depends on Bitcoin, what we make here, and I think we will make something like that, that the price will go here to the downside and then the pump to 37,000. That means this is for me a fake outbreak. Yeah, if we not get here a stable situation that we can stay here at this levels. If this is happening, that the price is pending here, then I would say, okay, the price could go from this level to the top side, but if we only stay here at these levels here, then the price will dump to 20,000. Yeah. So we're looking to Neo back. Let's look more in detail. Let's look more in detail. Let's check we have this situation. Price is rising to the top side, downside, and we have this formation. And if I look very detailed to this formation, then we could recognize, let me check here a little bit. We have here this rising, then we have here this fall, yeah. And let me check. If we say, okay, this is our base, then I would say we will see here a little pump to the top side. We could also get yeah, dump, then pump, yeah, and then finish, because you can see the trend is here going to the top side, and you can see clearly with your own eyes we break out of this channel, and that means we have to go to the downside, yeah. But you can see we are in the negative area, so I think we could test these levels again, something like that, and then I would say we finish this formation, and then next possibility is go to the downside, yeah. The next is the next move could even go to $18. Hard to say, but we have so negative formation so that we could break here the $25 and go to $18. So let's check, and that is the reason why this channel is exists at the moment. You can see we can stay here at these levels, make here move to these levels, and the next dump is coming here to these levels 14, and test here, retest, and finally we could go out of this channel. So this is the strategy if this is not happening. So I would say I prefer this formation, and if this is not happening, then I would say if we really pump at the Bitcoin price to these levels here, 37,000 levels, then we could get something like that. Yeah. So if you want more, please come on the Wolf Exclusive Club. You can write this. You can also write your questions in the comment field, and let's look in which direction we can go. Yeah. Have a nice day, and see you later.